Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to BJ Learn. It's Benedict here again. In this class, I want us to talk about the clipboard. So the clipboard is within the home tab. This is our home tab. So I want us to talk about the functions, the commands within home tab, but we'll start with the clipboard. I remember initially we had said in our previous video that the commands are grouped according to their functions, or rather they are grouped according to the instructions that they perform. So within the clipboard, we need first to create some data so that we can see how we can apply the commands within the clipboard. So we'll type here date. Let's type here type of fruit. Type of fruit. Then we have price. Then we have quantity. Then we have total price. So this should be unit price. So when you're writing anything on Excel and you want to write again on the next adjacent Excel, you just tab. When you need to go back, you hold shift key and then tab backward. So here I want to do a random date. So is equal to round between. Then you want to do a random date. So 2011 01.01. Then our top date will be 2015 stroke 02 stroke 13. And we close our brackets. Then we also need to put a proper date format. So we'll right click. Then we format cells. Then we go to date format. Then we'll scroll down. I want to use this as our date format. Then now I want to drag it down to create some random dates. Then from here we want to do type of fruit. So we can say guava, orange, pineapple. Then we also have let's try to use these three. So I'll copy them down. Then let the unit price be 12, 13, then 14. Then we copy down. So they will alter as per the type of fruits. Then let's give a random quantity again. So we have round between. And so the top we want to be maybe 15. Then the highest we want to be 19. So these are the quantities that was sold within a given day. Then we have the total price. We will write is equal to. Then we click C2. Then we multiply by D2. Then we enter. Then you want to copy this formula down. So we can click on this cell and then we place our cursor just at the right bottom corner. Then when you see this cursor turning into a plus sign, then you hold it down as you drag it down. Then the formula is copied. Or you can place the cursor here. They will just done. Then you double click. then the formula will be flash filled downwards. So this is a simple data set, and you want to see how you can use the clipboard commands. So first we have the paste. The shortcut for paste is Ctrl V, the way it's been written down here. Then we have here copying, so you copy paste. So to copy we use Ctrl plus C, and then we have a format filter. We also have a cut, so cut is Ctrl plus X, a shortcut for cutting. So let's start with cutting data. So we can cut these cells. We can highlight these cells. We select all these cells. Then we go to this command. We click on it. So we are cutting. After cutting, we can also come and paste it here. So we'll place our cut. We'll click on this G2. Then we right click or we click paste. You can click paste, then it will be pasted. Click paste. Or if we don't click paste, we just click on this cell G2. We right click and we click this paste icon here. Then the figures will be pasted. Then again, now we can go to so now we've used cutting and pasting. So now you want to copy. So let's copy all this. So the date was up here. So let me just pull this one up to align the headers, align the date with the rest of the headers. So I want to select all these cells and then paste from H2. So I can cut or I can just copy. So to copy, I will select the cells the way I've copied. Then I'll come here to where we have the icon for copying, or I can press Ctrl C, Ctrl plus C to copy. So let me click on this icon for copying. Then I'll come and click on H1. Then I can come here and click this icon for paste. Then the data values will be pasted as we just done. Then we also have within our clipboard the format painter. So format painter will paint will pick the format of a given cell or given cells and paint to a destination cells. So like now, let's assume we had our bold, our header here was bold. We click bold here, and then let's try to underline it as well. These are the border lines. So this one is for underlining the cell at the bottom. So now we have a format for bold headers. They have been underlined. So we want to use a format painter in these other cells from G1 to K1. So we'll copy all these cells, or we can copy one cell. We are not copying, but we just click on given cells. We can click on one cell, or we can highlight these other cells in total. But since the format is the same in these all header cells, then just click on this cell. Then we come and click on the format painter, and then we come and click on date here. So now we've applied the format painter. So if we want to paint all the headers from G1 to K2, we can click on this B2, then we double click on this painter. So when we come to these other cells, we just click once, Then next we also click on this one, and then we also click on the last one. So it means that we've copied the painter, but now we are trying to apply them to more than one cell. So we double click on this one, and then this other cell you just click once, and the painter the cells will be formatted as per the painter. So this was all about the clipboard under home tab. So when we come back, we want to talk about the commands grouped under the font, the format, the commands that have been grouped under the font. So thanks for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.